Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for Redhaven Outline. This is the second of a set of two tutorials for using searches. This will look at the more advanced search types that we have. The first tutorial presented the basic ad hoc search, where you learned how to search for one set of text in different ways. Now I'd like to talk about the named search, the quick search, and the reference search. The named search is a way to just remember a basic search. Use it again later. Even though the program has been closed and reopened, all the named searches will be saved. To create a named search, create an ad hoc search as you would above, and then in the search box press Save Search As button. So let's do that. Here's the search dialog box, and we have a search. Let's change this and look for basic. And I'm going to test this here. So we're finding the word basic. So it finds two cases of the word basic. Let's go back to the search dialog box. Now we want to save this search so that it'll be retained. Just press this button called Save Search As, and we'll say look for the text basic, and say OK. And now the search is saved. We'll close that. And if you go up here to search, but don't go to the dialog box, you go to this, look down here, and there is what we just saved. Look for the text basic. And if you press that, you go there. I'm going to go to somewhere else just to be different and look for the text basic. It takes you back to where you want to go. So whenever you save a search, for example, I already have a saved search called Internal Revenue Service, and there it takes me to the text Internal Revenue Service. And pressing F3 looks again. I only have one place for this search. So a saved search, a named search, is just a search that will appear down here that you can use. If you're finished with the search, you can go choose the search, look for the text basic, delete the search. Do you want to delete this? I say yes, close this, and it's gone. It's gone. That's the named search. The quick search is a named search with one more step. So let's go back up here and look. If you look at this, there are quick searches. Here is a quick search that is defined, and basically it's a search that you can initiate by just pressing Shift Control 1, or you can do Shift Control whatever number up to 9. So let's try that. If I do Shift Control 1, it takes me to this location. WCPE, it's a music station. Then if I press this, I can listen to my music. So instead of having even to go up here and go down and press this, I can just use keys to quickly get to the place. Let's create a quick search right now. I'm going to go to the Find dialog box, and I'm going to take this Internal Revenue and make it into a quick search. I'll give it 4. Quick search 4. And when I close, I go up here, and down here is Internal Revenue Service Quick Search 4. And even though I'm not excited about going there often, I can get there quickly. And to delete that, all you have to do is find it here in the search name, Internal Revenue Service, and I'm going to press 4 again, and it takes that 4 off, so it's no longer a quick search. It remains a named search, but not a quick search. So the quick search is gone. So here are the 4 searches. we've done the basic search, the name search, the quick search. Now let's do a reference search. This is a search that you can insert into the reference node field of a node. To initiate the search, you select the node and press the reference button. To continue the search, press F3. It is useful to connect a group of nodes and allow you to easily move to a related node. This is not hypertext, but it can function in somewhat the same way. So let's create a reference search. Well, let's look at some examples first. Reference search examples. Search for the word music. This is actually the reference search right here. And when I press that, it searches for the keyword music. Press F3 again and it goes back. So if we want to create a search, well, let's create a new, let's create a search for WGUC. That's another radio station I like to listen to. So I'm going to make a reference search. The way I do that, start the search dialog. WGUC. Now actually this took anyway, that was there. It's going to be only in the current outlines, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to put it just for the keywords. Let's build a reference search. At this point, I press that, it says the reference search has been built, and if you look here, it has put in that field the reference search. I'm going to save this and then press this, and lo and behold, we are here at WGUC. So what's useful is to build a reference search so that you can go from one node to another. And that is all that we have for searches. It's a very useful and powerful way to find information. Thank you very much.